Oh, jeez. Okay. I got the camera set up perfectly. I know how it looks, but Ricky's right here. He's eating the funnel cakes. Well, they saw your hands. I mainly was getting that perfect, setting right there. Which I'll go ahead and show a little bit more. Got the performance and all that with the purple lighting. But then you also got, Okay, now we'll get back to it. Okay, so with that there, now I'll get me a piece. I thought I had a funnel cake before, but I don't remember it looking like this. I thought I had one from school or something, but I don't know.
No?
I don't remember it looking like this at least.
No. These are the good kind.
Hold on. I'm gonna get there.
Yeah, they're messy.
I'm messy.
They are messy.
Well,
You can't have a funnel cake without making it messy.
Alright. Got my piece? No.
Just have to rip it off and go with it.
Alright. Oh. Before I get my next one, I want to point out the traffic over there. Out of all the things, I just want to point out the traffic. Show off. Okay, now I'm good. Oh, it's so chocolatey.
It is.
Okay, you already broke that side up, so I'm going for this side. Hey, no! I got all the dust on my leg. I literally felt it go through the table onto me.
Me too, look.
It went off the leg. Look at all this side stuff. All this side dust went on my leg. Oh.
That's good.
It's quite sugary.
Love funnel cakes.
It basically, for me, tastes like a torn apart donut.
So you see him pour the batter, he made it fresh, like fried it. What do you think?
Yup.
All right, thanks so much. Everyone do it again this evening. It's a beautiful night here in Kentucky.
That's it.
Yeah, Kentucky.
Hey, give it up for the Wilson Banjo Company that just played right before us. Awesome bluegrass.
Go get an animatronic.
I've known some of those folks for a lot of years.
I don't want to hear it unless they're going to be singing the
When you play
Freddie
bluegrass,
Fazbear.
you play festivals, and you do it for a long time. You make a lot of friends in other bands, and sometimes you don't see them for
It'll be packed here
a
Friday.
decade, but then you get to see folks you haven't seen in a long time. So it's
Just
a
what I
great
figured tonight
music
was a good night to
and
first
has
come out and
great
enjoy it a
community.
little
We're
bit
glad that
before
you
we
all
get packed in
come.
here like sardines.
Part of that with us tonight, so thank you.
Get packed in here like sardines. Yep.
Before Friday we were herded in here like cattle.
Why are you comparing us to animals? We're not animals, Ricky. I don't want to join the bird.
Don't know where it's gonna be. I'm not sure for the work that I've done. What else would I do?
Yeah, we're over here eating the funnel cake, and I'm just taking all the dust.
All the rivers, all my dreams. Cool drink of water is all my dreams.
Drink of water is all I need too.
Well, you got some of my water still. Look at the plane in the sky. That's really perfect. Because now you got me, you got the plane, and the entire setting other than what the table blocks off right there.
It seemed we've had all.
But you still have the audio and like hopefully me and you talking good.
It always good. Those surprises.
The only thing missing is literally you, Ricky. You're the only thing missing for the video. Oh no, you moved. Alright, so now. Okay, we're here. Both of us. Yeah.
We're having a funnel cake.
Yup. There's the.
What's left?
Oh my gosh, bro. The dust keeps getting on my leg. I swear there's some in my shoe by this point. Why are you laughing? You find it funny that there could be sugary dust in my shoe. Wait.
Could be an ant trail following you home. After these.
I'm getting a shower, I swear. I'm literally sugarcoating my entire everything about my lower half is getting sugarcoated in sugar.
The table has all the sand.
I know it does. I didn't point that out. You know what? Look at that. All this sugar is literally falling onto my legs and knees. Somebody's going around swinging some sort of blue thing down there. I had to point it out because I know they didn't see it. But yeah, that's a pretty good angling. Literally right there, the whole background. Ricky, me and Jaden both agreed, right? When you do see the next sketchbook, there's a little surprise waiting in Jaden wants me to record how you're gonna react.
For me?
No. So I gotta try and remember to record that very moment.
Okay. Good surprise.
Kind of.
Is it a drawing or a character of me?
No.
Okay.
It's something real.
Okay.
The only hint I will say is it involves somebody particular, which you may or may not know. Yeah.
Is it of me?
I said may or may not know.
Jeff.
But you see, I'm not gonna give you more hints. So, you got one hint. That's the only hint you get. Wow. It's getting all dark and it's after sunset and it still looks like this on my phone. There has to be a way like I could. Oh, I can debrighten it. Hold on. No. That's kind of closer to the setting, right? Something like this, I think. What is that light?
See the fireworks tomorrow? They'll go up on the river on a bars right here and sit on.
Alright, I'll try and record for it too. Hold on. Cause see, it's got something in the sky over there. But I don't know what it is. Cause it's above those 3 flags.
The moon is behind you.
Yeah. Oh, it's the glare.
Yes.
I wonder if it's able to see the traffic on the bridge right now or not. Probably not with my giant hand in the way, but yeah.
Tomorrow is gospel music night.
I know I'll be finding baby there. He loves to gossip. Baby loves to gossip. It's one of the nightmare critters. It's the one I told you about that has the fluffy chest. The one that's the fat one. Yeah, it is for me too. I had a lot of sugar.
I'd say we both did on this one.
I woke up and got cereal.
Or maybe next time we should have it without the chocolate and just the sugar.
Sure.
I don't know. How do you think it was best? You like it with just the powdered sugar or chocolate too?
Well, I don't know how it tastes with just the sugar.
So we'll try it without the chocolate next time.
Alright. Oh no. The tiniest remains of the water. It's almost completely out. I'm gonna be done for
You
soon.
done?
Sure. I'm done when you are. The trash can's on my side. So. Yeah.
Thank you.
The camera's on. Okay.
Make our way back to the car.
You might do that, but I'm making my way to the urinal stall thing. And then I'm